Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sentences. Let's see, what is a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. While making a sentence, we should remember three things. The first point is that a sentence is like a picture. The second point is that it cannot have a missing part. The third point is that it must give a complete idea. Let's see an example. Here we can see a boy, and the boy is playing with a ball. And few words are given as playing with a ball. It does not tell us who is playing with a ball. That is, we don't get a complete idea or a picture. Now, here the sentence is Alan is playing with a ball. Now we get a complete picture of Alan playing with a ball. So from this, we were able to get the idea that a sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. Right? Let's see another example. Here we can see a sky and few birds are flying, and a statement like fly in the sky. A group of words that doesn't give a complete idea is not a sentence. Let us place the words in correct order, like birds fly in the sky. Now the sentence makes sense. So, to make sense, all the words of a sentence must be placed in the correct order. From the last two examples, we learned that every sentence has two parts. They are naming part and the telling part. Let's see an example. Here we can see a lion and a sentence, a lion is roaring. In the sentence, a lion is the naming part and is roaring is the telling part. The naming part tells who or what the sentence is about, and the telling part tells us something about the person, animal, or thing in the naming part. Let's see another example. Here we can say that a peacock is dancing. What the peacock is doing? It is dancing. So, is dancing is the telling part of the sentence. I think that you got an idea about sentence and its two parts. Just recollect the main points. That is, naming part names someone or something, and telling part tells what someone or something does. By this, we came to the end of the session, and thank you all.